Lecture 1. What is DaVinci Resolve and why writers like it? Have you ever watched a video on YouTube or Netflix and wondered, how did they get it to look that good? Most likely an editor used software like DaVinci Resolve to shape the final product. Whether it's a short film, a wedding video, or a cinematic vlog, DaVinci Resolve is the behind-the-scenes tool that brings it all together. In this first lecture, we're going to unpack what DaVinci Resolve is, look at what makes it stand out, and understand why so many editors, beginners, and professionals trust it for their video work. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to define what DaVinci Resolve is and what it's used for. Understand the key reasons why editors choose Resolve over other software. Identify the types of projects where DaVinci Resolve shines. Feel confident about diving into this course, knowing you have picked a solid tool. What is DaVinci Resolve? DaVinci Resolve is a professional editing software developed by Blackmagic Design. It's widely used in the film and media industry, and surprisingly, it's also completely free, unless you upgrade to the studio version. Unlike other editing programs that focus on just one area, Resolve combines editing, color correction, audio mixing, visual effects, and delivery all in one application. In other words, you don't need 5 different programs. Resolve does it all on one timeline. Why editors like it, and why you might too. Let's break down why editors gravitate towards DaVinci Resolve. All in one workflow. You can cut clips, color grade, fix audio, and export all within the same project. No switching apps, no wasting time syncing between tools. It keeps everything organized and efficient. Professional color grading. Resolve is famous for its color correction features. Even big budget Hollywood movies use it. You will be able to take dull footage and make it cinematic with just a few clicks and curves. The price tag. Free. The free version includes almost everything a beginner or intermediate editor could need. It's not a limited trial or light version. It's powerful and unrestricted, and that's hard to beat. Scalable for growth. Whether you're editing your first short film or working on a freelance gig, Resolve grows with you. You can start simple and learn more advanced tools like Fusion and Fairlight as your skills improve. Clean, modern interface. Compared to some older editors with outdated layouts, Resolve feels current and intuitive. Yes, it's a lot at first, but you will be surprised how quickly it clicks. Real life example. A student filmmaker recently used Resolve to edit a 3-minute short film for a festival. With only a basic laptop and no prior experience, they cut the video, fixed the audio, color graded it for mood, and delivered it in 4K. The film was selected for screening, and they completed the entire process using the free version of DaVinci Resolve. You don't need a big studio to make a professional looking video. You just need the right tool and the knowledge to use it well. Tips and tricks for beginners. Use a cut page only if you are in a rush. It's built for quick edits, but the edit page gives you more control. Organize your files before importing. A messy media folder leads to a messy project. Learn shortcuts gradually. Don't rush. Master 1 or 2 keyboard shortcuts each week. Start small. Your first project doesn't need effects or color grading. Just tell a story clearly. DaVinci Resolve is more than just an editing program. It's a complete creative toolkit trusted by beginners and professionals alike. With it, you have everything you need to start shaping your ideas into polished videos.